Are you a speaker, author, and coach, and you're looking for a way to monetize your message? Yes, whether you're speaking on stage and you want to follow up with your event attendees, or you want to build a relationship with meeting planners or event planners. Well, if that is you, in this video, I want to talk about the power of email. Yes, and I want to talk about the best way to use Kajabi's email marketing system. Hello, I'm Canton Simmons, and welcome to Monetize, Scale, and Get Paid to Speak. And this is day 6. Yes, day 6 of this series showing speakers, authors, and coaches how they can monetize their message using the power of Kajabi. Now, if you don't know, Kajabi is an online platform that's designed all for the sole purpose of helping speakers, authors, coaches, business owners get their message out into the world. And I believe it's the number one only tool you'll need to really get your message out there. And because of that, I would love to have you go through this 30-day series with me. You can download and get access to a Kajabi portal by simply going over to monetizeu.co/Kajabi. When you go to my personal link there, it's going to give you a 30-day free trial. And you can use the free trial. And if you love the free trial and continue to go on using Kajabi, which I think you should, I would love to be able to assist you on your journey and to also give you access to 3 bonus gifts. Now, one of those gifts is my Kajabi course called Your One Business Tool, where I break down all the things that you want to do to be able to get access to all the features behind Kajabi and know how to use them. Number 2, I want to give you access to my money making website course and program, where I'll even throw in templates to show you and give you the right templates so you can just upload them into your Kajabi portal. And then lastly, I want to give you access to a special program that I have called Money Making Content. And it's designed to give you templates on creating your content, whether that's a video blog or webinar or a virtual workshop, or you're doing a YouTube show. Regardless of what it is, I want to be able to give that to you. And as we go through these next 30 days, you can go through these next 30 days right there with me by having access to Kajabi. So as I'm logging into my Kajabi portal here, I want to talk about the power of email. Now, believe it or not, I got into this whole business because of email. Yeah, email was the thing that started this journey for me, whereby I was so blessed to be able to impact people all over the world through the power of email. And as a speaker, email marketing is not dead. And I believe that you want to share and have email working for you in 3 specific areas, okay? Area number 1, let me find a blank sheet here. Email is a tool that's been around probably since the 90s, late 80s, early 90s. And as a speaker, one of the things that you want to use email for, number 1, is for communication. Okay? You want to use email for communication, being able to just naturally follow up with individuals who say, hey, I need help. I want to get answers. I need some support. You can now use email in your business to communicate with individuals, to serve them by consistent communication. Number 2, you want to use email not only for communication, but you want to use email for follow-up, okay? Follow-up. This is one of those things where you can meet a person in public or you can meet a person online, but now you can use email as a consistent means to follow up with individuals so that they can know you, you can know them, and there's an ongoing conversation. Email follow-up is a beautiful nurturing process. And I want to show you how every speaker and author and coach needs to have that. And thirdly, I believe email is great for delivery. Okay. Email is great for delivery. If you have a product, if you have a book, an ebook, an online course, a coaching program, you can now take your content that you have sold, and then this email becomes your delivery system to get your content, your videos, your training, your advice delivered over to the individuals that have purchased it. And I believe Kajabi is absolutely great for doing this. So let me share my screen here. Let me share my screen. So I'm inside of Kajabi portal, and to the left is our dashboard and all the tools that we have. Of course, we have product, sales, websites, branded app. We have marketing, contacts, analytics, creator studio. Under marketing, we have the ability to create emails, okay? Email campaigns. And we can go to email. And one of the cool things that we can easily do, we can have two types of email. We can have a broadcast email, and we can have a sequential email. All right. Broadcast email is an email that looks very similar to being able to promote a product or share news or stay connected. And then another email type is an email sequence. It's better known as an autoresponder, where you can send a series of emails that can be triggered by an automation. So the cool thing is that you have broadcast emails, and then you have automated or email sequences that are triggered by another person's action. And then the cool thing about Kajabi here, you can go in, hit the broadcast, and once you look at this, Kajabi has multiple templates that you can use to send out a broadcast email. All right. And the cool thing about this, let me just pick one of these. Okay. Something very simple. Matter of fact, let's pick the simple one. I like simple. Okay. So you go in here, and let's say we're doing a broadcast email. And the cool thing about this is you can come through here, and it's going to install that template. You can determine who will receive this broadcast, all of your contacts, or you can customize this where you can now only use individuals who are choosing. You can segment them based on their performance in the past. And then you can go ahead and put your subject in here, new email list. You can do a preview text, look inside. Okay. And then you just simply click here to edit the email. And what you see is what you get. I love it. From the standpoint of whatever you type is what you can edit. Now, the cool thing about these emails, you can add all these different sections to your email. If you wanted to add an image, you can add an image to your email. Come over here and select a recent file, and boom, add a picture to your email. And then we could even take that picture and we could link to it, to a landing page, to a checkout page, to a download file. All right, this is powerful because now people can now say, hey, you send them an email, you can click it. It can be a button, goes to a video, a button that goes to different aspects of your content. We can move this picture up below. We can put a button on this email, click here to watch this video. Okay. Boom. Kajabi allows you to center this, make it large, center. So now you got a button there. And then you can come in and have this email. We can open this up. I've got an exciting update. I couldn't wait to share this with you. In fact, I couldn't deliver several benefits. Then now you can bold this. Just like we use Microsoft Word or Apple Pages, you can just come in to create an email. All right, so that's the first type of email, a broadcast email. Now I'm going to jump back to new email, and I'm going to do the sequential email. Okay, so we're doing the email campaign. We're going to do an email sequence, and this is going to be a follow-up email sequence. All right, And then again, we're going to pick our template. I'm going to just do basic, simple texting. All right. And so we just call this basic follow-up. And then the cool thing is that when you go through putting together a sequential email, you can have email number 1. It could be sent out immediately, day 0. All right, so this can be a day 0 email. Save. And then what I'm going to do here, now you will see in this follow-up series, you can have a day 0 email. And then you can put together a follow-up email, add another email that, let's say we can send it day 3. So we do another email. So second email. Excuse me for the misspelled words. Just want to show you the concept here. So that's going to load, and we can say, hey, let's send this email day 3. We can even determine what time of day from day 3. Now you say, what is day 3? What is day 0? So for example, when you go to any website, right, and a person puts in their name and email address, an autoresponder, once a person puts in their name or email address in any form, this now will be able to trigger these email sequences. So if this email was to go out on day 3, that would be great. We can edit that content, and now this can work for us. So now, once a person completes a form, we can connect the form to an email sequence, and then now we can trigger an email immediately. We can trigger an email day 3, day 4, day 10, day 12, day 100, right? It's now working for you. Now think about if you put this together and you know how to use communication type emails, follow-up emails, delivery emails, think about how much more you can get done. I remember when I was working in corporate America as a scientist, this is when I was a part-time speaker. I would use email. I would get up before work. I would, either the night before, I'll write an email, and then I have my emails go out at 9 o'clock. As I'm headed to work, I was pre-write and pre-schedule my emails to now go to the individuals I want them to go to all over the world, and they were working for me. Email marketing inside of Kajabi, email marketing in your business is crucial to your growth, for you to monetize, for you to scale, and you to get paid as a speaker. All right, so I want you to think about email. Kajabi is a great resource to do that. Again, if you want to get access to Kajabi, I highly encourage you to test drive it. Click the link down below or go to monetizeu.co/Kajabi. Once you do that and you love the platform, I'll give you 3 amazing bonuses to 3 of my courses. But you click the link down below, you can get access to all of that down below, because I believe Kajabi rocks. And I believe your message needs to reach the world. So again, thank you so much for participating in this Monetize, Scale, and Get Paid to Speak 30 Days with Kajabi. Now, by the way, if you haven't seen the previous 5 days, guess what? Go watch the previous 5 days, dig in, implement this. Don't just watch, right? Get you a trial of Kajabi, utilizing your business, and now together we can monetize our message and make the world a better place. All right? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.